question. These issues will be taken. The way today Goa is being destroyed and a 10-point charter is being made, enough is enough. We spoke about it, all three of us spoke in the assembly. Of Goa's carrying capacity needs to be defined. Of the way आज conversion, destruction, hill cutting जाता, land conversion जाता. This is not in the interest of the state. काही जी carrying capacity check कोणास थोडा आज ओ सरकार गोंय पाड घालपाचो प्रयत्न ओ सरकार करता. जो बीजेपीचो नॅशनल प्रेसिडेंट आयलो तेणे स्टेटमेंट केलो की काँग्रेसाच्या वेळार इतले करप्शन जाले, फाटले आहले तेंका म्हाका दिसता शॉक बसलो. कित्याक आज जवळ जवळ 10 आहले ते काँग्रेसाचे सिनियर लिडर आहले ते आज बीजेपीत आसा. आज बीट्स पिलानीचेर जेन्ना लास्ट सेशन बाब कालुसान बीट्स पिलानीचेर मुखेलमंत्री को अश्युरन्स घेतलेले आनी सांगलेले जॉइंट क्वेश्चन आहले आमगेले अबाउट क्राइम्स एंड क्रिमिनल. It is shocking to see that forensic reports of the past suicides are still not with the government. They have made no attempt to make sure. Then what is the reason? Swiggy je eklo drugs gen dollo mo sanglale. I charge that close to Bits Pilani there is a liquor joint. Tinga close within 100 meters. That is the place where drugs are being supplied. That is the place where this activity is happening. And हे हांवें मुखेलमंत्रीच्या दोळ्या मुखार हो इश्यू घेतलेलो and I said the supply is happening there from there and who this belongs to a leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So हे सगळे तितून शामील आहे. Police need to act immediately. We have म्हाका दिसता trust in the police. आज why this type of murders, rape, dacoity, suicide never happens. Why is it happening? CAG जे point out केला जे violation time and over again आम्ही सदांच म्हणटा मुखेलमंत्री सांगता की अरे बाबा यू आर FRBM एक्टाचे जे in violation of FRBM act. This government is in a financial crisis. No issue on Madaiचे जे फक्त लीगल डिपार्टमेंट कोट्यांनी रुपयाचे डिस्पेस करून टुडे this government is the same government that compromised Madai. This was said by the Home Minister Amit Shah. आज और सरकार म्हणटाय तो पोस्ट फॅक्टो सरकार. लास्ट टाइम they denied us जे आम्ही कॅबिनेट मिटिंगेच्यो कॉपी मागलोल्यो. There is nothing secret in it. यो पोस्ट फॅक्टो सरकार आणि ह्या सरकाराक म्हाका दिसता एक्सपोज करपाक युनाइटेडली टेकिंग दी ऑपोजिशन टुगेदर we will make sure that we expose this government. Aj we are confident also that the coming elections, now corporationache election, we spoke, the CLP spoke about the municipal elections, about the coming Ponda by-election. So all these we have considered. It was a long meeting. We sat for almost more than an hour and a half. आणि आवाज तुमचो सांगात आमचो या बॅनरा खाली आम्ही आमची पार्टी and all the people of Goa, I feel from whatever parts of Goa, we will make sure that we get issues and highlight this, because during question hour or LAQ galpa format asota that we are time bound. So definitely we are starting this early, much before the session is being even announced, and whatever needs to be done, I think unitedly taking all the people into confidence, we will make sure that we basically grill this government.
तुम्ही तालुका वाइज मीटिंग बी घेतलंय, कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वाइज घेतलंय?
No, so exactly आम्ही पहिले गेल्ले. Now this is an outreach program where our frontal organizations, party, block presidents, MLAs, MPs, all of us unitedly, we will make sure that we have to expose whatever information we get, because during demands this is the time we get to speak. So all of us will take roles together and make sure that we be the voice in the assembly.
You hope it will be a long session?
No, I knowing this government, I believe that they want the least under 306 suspension of rules. They suspend Kohita. minimum एक 25 working days session आसपास जाए. Today you cannot curtail this session, and the speaker during BAC has also told us that it will be one of the longest sessions. I think the speaker was a part of a delegation in which they resolved that in a year minimum 30 days session जावपाक जाय. It has never happened in the state of Goa. But all the speakers, when they met, I believe last month they met, they had a convention. And there they said that all across the country, 30 minimum days session आसपाक जाय. या सरकाराक म्हाका तरी दिसना हे भियेता. They are scared that we will expose their corruption, that we will expose all their wrongdoing. But definitely, it is our right, and we have asked the speaker and we asked the chief minister and the government, because they decide the number of days. So that we want.
आवाज तुमचा सांगा तर आमचं. So what you are demanding? You are calling out the people will be the issue? Or?
No, definitely people's issues we have, as I said, connect with goaclp@gmail.com. That is the email address. Also there is a phone number 7498254726. Issues that need to be taken up could be given on that. At the same time, we will also travel in the state of Goa, explaining to the people and giving them dates and taking their issues to be highlighted.
One more thing is that coming on to the other issue, to me, time and again, a grand opposition alliance such a time and again. Any thoughts like, though it is too early, on CM face or what it is, okay, there.
See, grand opposition alliance, Mare. Grand opposition alliance is something where all the MLAs in the opposition feel that it has to happen in the interest of the state. At least elected members feel the same. Today, I'm talking about the elected members. Every political party has their own agenda. Today, as MLAs in the Goa Legislative Assembly, cutting differences or our political differences, we have made sure that we've exposed this government. Together, it is grand opposition, MLAs exposing the government. The credit does not go to a single person. And agent credit is because as Goenkarponn zogotta. That is why this government is exposed. They will try to divide us, but we have made sure that what comes first is the interest of the state, and in that interest we have moved forward. दुसरे तू पडटे कितें CM बी पड कितें जाता म्हाका दिसता. So CM कोण जातलो, केन्ना जातलो, कितें जातलें तें कोणाच्यान सांगूंक जायना. एक लोकांकडे पावर आहा. It is the people's power. When I say people power, पयलीं मरे शीता फुडें मीठ आमी खावप ना. दुसरें, we have to get elected first, not selected. First get elected. After we get elected, our party has within ourselves we discuss who is going to be the leader. So थोड्याक ते CM जावपाचे आनी कितें जावपाचें म्हाका दिसता सद्याक गोंय सांबाळपाक जाय. आनी गोंय जरी जर आमी सारकें एकठांय नाय जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता मागीर गोंयांत सांबाळपाचें उरपाना. द डिस्ट्रक्शन that this government is currently doing, CM मागीरचे, it is कोणागे हितून बरयलो पळया ते कोणाच्यान व्हरो जायना. एक दुसरें, you have to be connected with the people. The Congress party today is connected with the people. MLA जावपाक artificial intelligence नाका. Grassroots connectivity आसपाक जाय. I am proud that my MLAs today, when we work, we were able to retain our seats in the Zilla Parishad. We went to the people. During Captain Viriato's election, we went on the ground. They were in charges of both the parliamentary seats. They did the hard work. We went, taking our party and our presidents and our block presidents and the Congress worker together. So definitely I thank our MLAs as well for the leadership skills that they showed. For us winning South, everybody said, ना रे यार तुमचे किती जातले 30,000 कोण म्हणलाले 30,000 पेढे जाते 40,000 पेढे जाते. But we showed and all of us that are here together feel that it is the CLP's view that we have to unitedly fight. We cannot divide ourselves. And this view was discussed also with the highest party, that is with when I was in Delhi, I discussed these views of mine with the highest leadership, with Kharge ji, with Rahul Gandhi ji, with KC Venugopalji, our desk in charge, that Goa today, if we divide ourselves, we are going to lose. Let us look at Goa first. And the issues, but this is the first requirement, is that we have to be united and definitely take everyone together. The Congress party is the principal opposition party. It is our role as possibly the parents within the opposition to make sure we take everyone. In the house we have taken. Now it is high time, and you will see ki ada zaid elections जातले, Ponda corporation जातले, municipal elections जातले. That is not on party line. But as I said, जे पडे sensible munis आज मुखार सरलेले आहे. Congress party together with all such individuals should go forward, make sure that the BJP is sent home.
No, but why then, when you talk about grand opposition alliance, then why your president is hesitating to comment on this? That is one thing. And second thing, when we talk about ZP, all three of you have managed to get your ZPs elected. But yesterday the president said, we all work together. What it is?
No. See, what happens is, first about the grand opposition alliance, ही एक नवी सुरुवात जावपाक जाय, गोंयांत जावपाक जाय. In the past it has not happened. It is a difficult task. Every political party will think what suits them best. But in Goa's interest, I feel that there has to be a compromise. Compromise in the sense, where are our strongholds, where are we weak, where can we win unitedly. These are things that that basically need to be seen together. I feel the Congress party as a whole, finally we are a democratic party. The president might have a view, I might have a view, our MLAs might have a view, but once a decision is made in the interest of the party, we have to stick to that interest. And that, at this particular view, we are not like the BJP. No dictates are given to us. We have a right to rebel within the party platform. And we were all taken into, we discussed on certain candidates. Yes, there are things that went wrong, and that is the thing that we need to rectify. We could have won South Goa, but now these are things that I don't think I should put it in public domain. But we are confident that we should learn from our mistakes, and we will make sure that in 2027, Congress will give Goans a stable government.
So, generally,
तुम्ही म्हणले की युनायटीचा गव्हर्नमेंट जाय म्हणून. सो आतां आसतलें फोंडा इलेक्शन फाटीर वचचें आसतलें. थंय कशें कितें आसतलें? बिकॉज पयलीं हांव फाटीर पळयलें की आम आदमीचे केजरीवाल गेले, तुमची लिडरशीप येवपा आसता आनी ते सीट तुमी एक युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन सिटार करतले.
See, Ponda is, first of all, the date is not announced. But I will, as leader of opposition, make an appeal. I make an appeal also to the other political parties within the state, within the opposition, that the fight has to be 1-to-1. 1-to-1, there is a fight, we stand a very good chance. And the Congress party itself today in Ponda is strong. We are capable of winning this seat. Whatever Bab Ravi Naik has done, no doubt, he was a congressman first, and whatever he has done, but today if you look, जाऊं hospital, जाऊं रस्ते, जाऊं sewage problem, yes, सगळे जरी जर आम चयल्यात थिंगा आनी despite the Ponda taluka having 4 MLAs from there, still there are so many things that need to be done. We will definitely speak to the other political parties, and the Congress party will definitely contest. And definitely the plan is to win. We are not here to do just to play an election. We are here to win. And whatever needs to be done to win that election, we will do.
There are some allegations as far as illegal activities of some of your party leaders are also involved. Congress members, what do you have to say?
What illegal activities?
Drugs and all.
What kind of drugs?
There were some allegations. Even the former MLA in Akadama in the Kerala.
We cannot. No, see, definitely that whatever part, I believe that is the party needs to take a call. I think ED case, ED raid malote ulita. Definitely, I think the party has already taken a call on that particular matter. You will see it in the days to come.
ओके पोंडा कॅन्डिडेट तुमचो फायनल जाला.
Candidate Kurpa Mare, there is a party, there is a system. Whoever I think is interested, I think we definitely have Rajesh already there in the race. He's already shown his thing. But there are other people, whoever are interested, I believe. The thing is the cadre is ready. Let the election be announced. I believe the process has already started. People are meeting all of us as I speak to you. But the strategy I will not put it out. But definitely we will win Ponda. 100% we will win Ponda.
काल तुमच्या अध्यक्षान घेतली प्रेस घेतली सो तो एका विशयाचेर उलयता म्हणजे गांवांनी तो विचारलेले सो फोंडाचे तेणी आमकां अजून कांय ठरवना म्हटलें आनी तुमी हांगा आयज सांगता की
तो कोण कॅन्डिडेट आसतलो तेजेर उलयलो न्हू. सो आमी काम करपाक बंद करपाचें. काम करपाक ऑलरेडी आहा न्हू कार्यकर्ता जाता थिंगा आतां तुगेले हॉस्पिटला इश्यू थिंगा सारके मेशिनरी ना, MRI मशीन ना, पॅट स्कॅन मशीन ना, कांयच सारकें ना. दीज इश्यूज गेट रेज्ड इन द इट इज अ कंटिन्यूड प्रोसेस. Let me tell you, there is no differences. Please do not put it out. There is no differences. I said we are a democratic party. I might have a different view. Elton might have a different view. Kalus might have a different view. But finally, the consensus is once the party takes a call, we stick to that. Definitely, Ponda, you will see that the Congress party will win with large numbers. A lot of people want to join the party. A lot of people are currently there. So whatever needs to be done, our desk in charge is also coming in a couple of days. In the interest of the party, taking people into confidence, we will take.
Will it be alliance candidates?
Alliance
United oppositions.
No. See, whether there will be a Congress candidate. So whether the other political parties support or not, that you will see.
So, but you are talking about grand alliance. So would you get all together?
तुम्ही म्हटले की 1 to 1 जावं
So this Ponda seat actually आमगेले Congress seat कळना तुका. So it is our first to ask for that seat. आनीक आमकां गेल्ले पाटी आमी उलयले ZP उलयले ड्युरिंग MP इलेक्शन ऑल्सो विनेबिलिटी चोवपा जाय. येस डेफिनेटली केडर वी विल आस्क तेंगेले व्यूज घेतले बट विनेबिलिटी चोवपा जाय. आज BJPचें कितें आहा BJP आसलें जाल्यार ते सगळे एकठांय जाता. आमकां along with our cadre we will see that winnability also and we will put our stake first because Congress तेंगे बाकीच्या कोणा वळखाय ना तेंगे. So Congress will stake claim for that seat.
There is also rumor about Ketan Bhatikar. किधर हा
अरे कोण येतो ना म्हणून आता ते मरे येईल जाल्यार कितें जालो पार्टी येत तो कोण येत खंय.
तुम्ही तुमच्या अलायन्स पार्टी वांगडा उलोवप करतले कितें तुमचे
100%. See, we want united to be united for the welfare of Goa. आमची स्वतः काँग्रेस पार्टी लागून हुंची पार्टी लागून आमी गोंयकारां पासत एकठांय जावपाक जाता गोंयची पासत हें अंडरस्टँड जावपाक गोंयकारांनी. सी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. वी आर नॉट सेइंग दॅट अदर ऑपोजिशन काम कोणाय म्हणून but आमगे principal opposition party Congress has always stood by Goa and Goans and we will always be with Goans. गोंयची पासत कळना तुका आमची स्वतः काँग्रेस पार्टी पासत न्हू पार्टीन देशा पासत गोंयची पासत भरपूर बलिदान केलां. सो वी विल सी दॅट गोंयचे कितें बरें आहा तेका लागून मागतले. बिस्तो कोणी येता आनी दिल्लीसून येता आनी सांगता आपण कॅन्डिडेट येतलो आमचे फार रोडा ते मरे लोक पिसना गोंयकार इलिटरेट न्हू लोकां भरपूर आहा. कोण तो
कोण तो दिल्लीचो
हा दिल्लीसून कोण येता तुमकां प्रेस सगळे भाव आसलो मरे
आमकां खबर ना तुमकां खबर
प्रेसा खबर ना आमकां तुमकां खबर आसा तुमचे वडल्यार आमकां कळटा.
तुम्ही जेन्ना दिल्लीचे उलयता तुमचे एलिगेशन जाता की तुमची पार्टी दिल्लीच्या कंट्रोलार आहा.
केन्नाय वचपाना. हे गेले पयले आहलो कंट्रोल आहलो ते सगळे तिनया धाडे आमी हे कंट्रोल आहलो ते सगळे तिनया गेले ओ धाडे कंट्रोल म्हणून सी गोंयकारांनी आमी पयली गोंयची चिंतपा जाय. सी वी शूड अंडरस्टँड दॅट इट इज दिल्ली डेफिनेटली इट्स अ नॅशनल पार्टी बट वी शूड टेल द नॅशनल लिडर्स दॅट वॉट एवर वी आर थिंकिंग हॅज टू बी इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवन्स. गोंयकार पयले गोंय पयले हे आमगे मुद्दो हे जालें पयलीं कितें मिस्टेक केलो सोडप गोंय हेजे मुखार तरी इवन प्रेस आमी सगळे गोंयकार आमी सगळे डिफरन्स दिसून गोंयचे आमी पयलीं चिंतताय. सो गोंया वी हॅज टू बी ऑन द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. सो आमी सांगता तें मागपाचें.
अपकमिंग असेंब्ली तुमचो ह्योच रोल रावतलो
होय
अपकमिंग असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाक.
येस गोवा फर्स्ट.
म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शन
युनिबब आता मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेऊन सांगला सरकार तुमच्या दारी वा परत 6 तारखेच्यान फोंडाच्यान सुरू जाता तांचो.
हो सरकार तुमच्या दारी लोकांक पडा बारी 12.5 कोटी रुपया म्हणून 12.5 करोड हे फक्त जुमलेबाजी जुमला हे लोकांक हांव अपील करता सारखे वचोन थिंगा जे पण इश्यू आहे हेल्था इश्यू आहे पोंडा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल इश्यू आहे रस्त्या इश्यू आहे थिंगा अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो इश्यू आहे सो मुखेलमंत्री फक्त हे जुमलेबाजी करपाक थिंगा फाल्यां वयतलो लोकांक स्वताचे पानां पुसपाचो प्रयत्न कांयच केलें ना सरकारान 4 आमदार आशिल्ले पोंडाच्या डिस्ट्रिक्टात एकलो आमचो सर्गीस बाब रवी नायक ना तोच वयता वयरसो कितें चलत कामां आनी आज हे जे पण सरकार तुमच्या दारी पण जालो आहा अरे थिंगा चिंबे लोक आहा थिंगाय वचाय मरे सरकार तुमच्या दारी थिंग कितें वचना मुखेलमंत्री आनी हुंय प्रोटेस्ट आहा थिंग कितें वचना तेंगे घराको कितें वचना हिंगा कितें वयता सो दिस इज एन इलेक्शन गिमिक इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट सरकार पोस्ट फॅक्टो अप्रुवल कोट्यांनी रुपयाची लूट आणि अंडर दिस लूट दे आर बेसिकली कमिशन under this commission they are going there using public money and they are unable to resolve all these issues esle हे अंत्योदया सर्वोदया हे सगळे लोक खबर आहा आणि हे सगळे फोटिंगपणा सांगपाक आनी म्हाका खात्री आहा की पोंडाचो लोक will change and make sure that this government is exposed will remain with us.
मांडवीक आता सगळ्यांच्याकी व्हडलो कॅसिनो येता सो सीएमान ताका अप्रुवल दिला ताजेर ऑपोजिशन म्हणून तुम्ही कितें हें करता
I already spoke. These are projects that are polluting the river Mandovi. River Mandovi today 50% of the is polluted. Tinga sogle पडया waste sota. Sogle पडया enka ingache they have no moral right, but Dr. Pramod Sawant loves them. Up to March 2027, he has given them an extension. The state government has given an extension. When I asked him in the assembly, after March will you throw it out? Aspalagalo. So we are very clear. This is not in the interest of the state. This is not what Goa. ये गोयंची परंपरा, ये गोयंचे दायज, ये गोयंचे culture. या आई इंसाला मरे मुख्यमंत्री कडे. Is this what we want? And what is happening there? Are we creating Goa to be another Las Vegas, another Sin City? कितें दाखोवन दिता तेंका नॅशनल कॅपिटल राहील म्हणटरी सो डेफिनेटली दीस टायप ऑफ इश्यूज जेन्ना काडाचे लँडाचे कन्वर्जन काडा लँड वॉज गिवन टू गिविंग पर्टिक्युलर एरिया 3 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर ऑफ कमांड एरिया टुडे वॉज डिनोटिफाईड विदाउट टेकिंग द काडा बट वी रेज दिस इश्यू एज वेल सो वाय लव फॉर वन पर्टिक्युलर पर्सन हे क्रोनी कॅपिटलिस्ट इंटू करप्शन आसा हेजे लागून आनी वी विल स्टँड वी विल मेक शुअर that such type of thing should not enter Goa.
So, Yuribab, as per the international maritime law and Indian maritime law, no sewage and oil supposed to be disposed in the water. So, at the casino, this thing, they are not delivering to the coast, the sewage, and so you will pressurize the Goa Pollution Control Board.
I have very clearly stated that the pollution is left in the river. They leave it completely. ती बोटी इंजिन बीन चलता कोणा खबर कोके फार सगळे भितर सगळे बुराक काय आसतले खुच्या बोरकांतल्यान कितें सुटाय काय कोणा हे म्हाका दिसता पयले सरकारान सारकें थिंगा लक्ष घालपाक अरे सगळी सुवेज थिंगा मांडोवीन सोडली इन देयर वॉज एन इश्यू ऑफ कारंजाले दॅट द फिश हॅड सम हार्मफुल सबस्टन्स इन इट नुस्तें सारकें दिवपाक एंड इज दीस गोवाज कल्चर So when we put this question, we got answers that the Pollution Control Board gives them a clean signal, gives them a green thing that everything is correct. So what on one side you have the Water Resources Minister saying that 50% of the rivers in Goa are polluted. So where are we heading and what is this for? Definitely these are issues that we will take up also in this. Every time we take it up and there's nothing new, we take it up again.
एक असेल ते म्हणजे तुम्ही जेट टायमार म्हणलें की सगळे पार्टीक जावं जाय कंटेस्ट करूं जाय पण तेन्ना तुमी इवन एग्रेसीव जाले बार ऑफिसान की बाबा सांगता कशी अशें तेन्ना तुमच्या पार्टीन आयकूना आज आयकता शिजतले
पार्टी आयकपाक उरलें सी तेन्ना झेडपी इलेक्शन जालें आनी तेजो मागीर कितें परिणाम जालो तो खबर आहा झेडपी टायमार त्या सिटाचो इट इज नॉट डेट हांव मुगे कोणा पार्टी वगैरे डिमोरलायज करपाक सोदना बट आज अशी हांव परिस्थिती अशी आहा बीजेपी सोदता की आम डिवायड जावचे म्हणून आनी हे आतां भरपूर गोंयकार भाईसांगूय लोकांक कळना झेडपीकूय इलेक्शनाक कळना आनी जेन्ना युती जाली तेन्ना सावथ गोवा कितें जालें तेंय कळना सो आतां तरी म्हाका दिसता पार्टीन वी हॅव टेकन अ सिरियस नोट आमगेलो LOP जेन्ना गेल्लो डेली ही हॅज ऑल्सो मेड इट व्हेरी क्लियर and our party high command also has made it very clear when we want to win Goa and protect Goa and Goans. It is very important to protect Goa and Goans. We have to be united. हम हुंची कोणा पार्टी पर्सनली मोगान कोणाचे पार्टी नाही हम मोगान आहे गोंयचे आणि गोंयकारांच्या समज गोंय आणि गोंयकार सांबाळटले जाल्यार हे कोण सगळे कोण भायर स्टेटमेंट दिता ती एकठांय जावपा जाय आनी म्हणपा जाय बाबा आम गोंय सांबाळटले गोंयकारां सांबाळटले आम एकठांय जावपा दिस इज माय
तुमच्या होल पार्टी डिफरन्सीस दाखवता तुम्ही म्हणता ग्रँड ऑपोजिशन अलायन्स काल तुझ्या प्रेसिडेंटाक विचारता तो उलोवंकूच सोदी ना तेचेर आपणे म्हणटा आन्सर दिला तू म्हणटा
आन्सर दिना म्हणटा
काल ऑपोजिशन ग्रँड अलायन्साचेर उलयले तेन्ना ताका विचारले बाबा तुझा LOP ग्रँड ऑपोजिशन अलायन्साचेर आन्सरूच दिना मरे
ना रे आतां आम इलेक्ट जाले न्हू इलेक्ट जाले म्हणटकीर मातशें तकली डिफरंट जाता
आनी तेची डिफरंट तकली
इलेक्शन पॉलिटिक्स मागीर ताका कळटलें सारकें
सो तेणे इलेक्शन पॉलिटिक्स
CLP लिडराचे आणि पार्टी लिडराचे थॉट्स मॅच जायना म्हणटा तुम्ही
बाबा सगळे ऑल इज वेल ऑल इज वेल काय म्हणटा काय
टेन्शन घेयना सगळे प्रेसिडेंट सगळे लागले जातले
I said about it in detail. It is the reason for that suicide. As they say, there was a suicide note. The person was going into depression. I think Dr. Carlos Pap pointed out to a law. It is mandatory that, and the chief minister was assured him on the floor of the house that particular type of counseling and all these things relating to medical health will be taken. But the important point is, yes, the important point with Bits Pilani is that forensic reports are still pending for years. Previous deaths je pade hai, these forensic are still pending. Chief Minister gave us an assurance in the last assembly session that this would be looked into. And there were people with Swiggy and they were caught. But Magadista, the bigger fish is within the close proximity of Bits Pilani. There is a unit that supplies alcohol, and it is believed that this is the hot spot for all these activities. So that I brought to the notice of the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister did not do. How noted muda zero ara noted muda. Kai na mahitet muda. How to tech muda. So these are serious issues. He needs to tell the police. Police should not become the puppets of the government. It is their role to make sure law and order and this. We spoke to the South Goa collectorate as well. If सगळे मेजर पॉट भितर घातलेले आहाय within the institute, but why are these people? See, you need to understand one thing is that it is difficult to for a common boy to get into with the fees that Bits Pilani about 15 lakhs, 18 lakhs. So you need to understand that pattern as well, the students' behavior. Why this is happening? Whether this is pressure, whether it is psychological disorder, whether it is family disorder. But the main point is drugs is readily available within the campus of Bits Pilani. This has been proved. Last time a Swiggy courier fellow was caught in the answer given to us as a joint question. And Khalus Bab questioned the Chief Minister. He said, everything is in order. What happened now is an eye-opener. And the people of Goa and the entire country are watching.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन आसा कॅझिनोचेरच आसा हो कॅझिनो सगळ्यांक गोंयांत मोठो कॅझिनो तेन्नाच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक मायकल लोबो जो कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाचो मंत्री आशिल्लो तेन्ना ताजे कडेन एप्रुवल आयलो सरकारा कडेन आयलो ताणें शहर मारलो रिमार्क मारलो CM वील टेक डिसिजन आनी कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाचो सेक्रेटरी ताणें रिमार्क मारलो जो पर्यंत सरकार ह्या कॅझिनो बद्दल पॉलिसी हें करिना एमेंड करिना आनी हे हाडून तो पर्यंत आपले तेजेर कांय से दिवनाशिल्लो पेंडींग दवरले रिमार्क मारलेलो हाजेर दोनाचेर ओवररूल करून आतां डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतान CMन अप्रुवल दिला हो गोंयचो सगळ्यांत मोठो कॅझिनो येता ताजेर तुमी एज अ ऑपोजिशन किंवा काँग्रेस म्हणून आवाज उठयतले ड्रेजिंग चालू आसा
आम्ही ऑलरेडी आवाज उठयलो आसा आम्ही ऑलरेडी सांगलेले आसा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गेमिंग कमिशनर फुल टाइम ह्या कसिनो जावपाक गेमिंग कमिशनर इज नॉट अपॉइंटेड देर इज चार्ज विथ द कमर्शियल टॅक्स ऑफिसर दुसरें हे सरकारान कितें जाता ओव्हररूल करीत आहेत तेंगेलो आतां टील मार्च 2027 तांकां एक्सटेंशन दिलें एक्सटेंशन दिवन आज जे जोरी जोर तुम चोयल्यार दीस बेसिकली नथिंग इज इन इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवा कोण फकत चलत ते पैसा फेको तमाशा देखो हे गोंयकारांचे पडोन ना हे हाटले आनी करीत आसले सो गोंयकारान हेंकां पयलीं सुवातेर हेंकां भायर मारूं जाय गोंयकारान जेन्ना आतां कॉर्पोरेशन इलेक्शन येतली त्या वेळार एक क्लियर कट मेसेज दिवपाक जाय की वी डू नॉट वॉन्ट दीस बॅड थिंग्स हॅपनिंग इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोंयकारान हेंकां बीजेपी सरकाराक इतली दादागिरी वाडलेली आसा few people have the courage to ask the chief minister few people are moving forward but I believe that it is the beginning of the end of this current dispensation of the BJP all their faulty policies all their U-turns are being exposed the Congress party definitely will work in whatever is needed in the state of Goa. This is casino culture, is not Goa's culture, and this needs to go home.
आता सीएमाक हाजेर प्रश्न विचारलो तेन्ना सीएमान आन्सर दिवना
कित केलें नमस्कार
Thank you.